Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to use labeled continuous statements in Java. We can use a labeled continuous statement to skip an iteration of the outer loop. Let's see example. In our main function, I will have a array of string. And now we are going to have a label. I will name it outer, and this would be for. Here we are going to grab each name from names, and we are going to have another inner loop string, and grab a name from names. Here we are going to use a if condition to check if name equals Mike. Then we're just gonna do continue to outer loop, the outer label. So it will go to the outer loop again. And we're just gonna print system dot out, print line, and print the name. And when we run our code, we get this output because when we come inside this inner loop, we look for name Mike and then use continue outer, so it will go back to this label, and whenever we come here, then it will go back over here and just print Tom. So it will go 1 2 3 4 times, and 4 times it will print Tom. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.